What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Durkee Chan. Look at that spider. S&P 500 at 600. 600 is monumental because if you look at year to date, we were flirting with 612. You know, we were kind of starting the year breaking through past 600. Again, these are key milestones, psychological numbers, and then from there we hovered around 612, and then Liberation Day happened, we dumped all the way back down, and finally a month and a half later, we are back to 600. Now today was a relatively boring day in the market. Overnight it shot up into 600 and then it gave it all away, and then trading day around the afternoon. Most of the times moves happen either in the morning, in the lunchtime, or in the last 10 minutes of the trading hours. It shot up to 601. And then everybody called it a day and sold out to bring us relatively flat for the day. So looking at the week ahead, I asked ChatGPT, what's going on today? What are we thinking about? And there's going to be inflation data coming in Wednesday. So that's going to be huge because, as we get more and more key inflation data, we'll see how all these quote-unquote tariff politics are affecting inflation. Along with that, we also have the China trade talks. Trump mentioned that there are talks happening in London at the moment, and mainly over these rare earth materials between Xi Jinping and the Donald. So again, both powerhouse countries, tug and pull. Someone's got to give, and you would want someone like Trump who, again, hate him for what he does, like him for what he does. He is a deal maker. So hopefully he gets the best deal he can get for us, the American people, and then hopefully that will rally the markets, because I think that is still a major headwind coming to the markets. But again, it could be priced in. Who knows? So yeah, so Friday, again, big boost, and then Wednesday, look out for that report. So again, I'm guessing tomorrow people are going to anticipate the Wednesday numbers. So it's, again, probably going to be another boring day. But in terms of winners today, Tesla up big again. Yet another day, Tesla up a whopping 5% and a 2% after hours. Holy guacamole, it is cooking after that huge drawdown with the Elon Donald beef. All right, today also Apple had their WWDC25 conference. I'll do a separate video on what I think as a casual Apple product user. It didn't excite me. They just basically did some UI updates. It wasn't too groundbreaking. I was expecting a bit more. I mean, even the pretty much Apple down on underwhelming developer conference. Yeah, it was kind of underwhelming. They introduced this quote-unquote liquid glass UI update. I don't know. It's just a redesign of some UI elements. It doesn't really add much in terms of impact. It's still great user interface update, but it's not bringing innovation. And that's what Apple's known for, innovation. But who knows, Apple, tons of cash. They can make a few failed products and still stay on top. They're just that much of a powerhouse. So year to date, Apple is flat, down 20%. And I'm guessing that has to do with no new innovation and no new news about AI. No AI innovations. 1 year, you're looking at a 2% for a 1 year investment for Apple. Wow, Apple used to be that crown jewel that everybody loves. It's going through some learning pains, but again, they have so much cash, they'll probably come out fine. But yeah, guys, that's all I have. Market recap for the day. Flat, Tesla up, Apple underwhelming, Lululemon still down. That's all I have, guys. Ciao.